Welcome back, guys. I'm here with 𝙂𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙪 here today. So let's get into the packaging. I'm seeing this drawstring bag, which obviously has the wig, which I'll get into further in a bit. I got a little goodie bag, and I also got a thank you card, right? Just basically telling you, thank you for purchasing and all that stuff. It has their social media and stuff listed on the back. Everything is branded, by the way, as you can see. And it's a cute little drawstring bag, and it's even branded as well, so that's nice. Loves to see when companies take pride in your packaging. So we got like some super light HD wig caps. It's a pair that always come in these, but this one is super light. I got a rat tail comb, love getting those. Have a 𝙂𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙪 head band like scarf. And then lastly, I got two of these little section clips, which are nice, and they're matte black, really nice. So this is the bag with the wig. So this is the wig that we're working with today. This is a kinky straight bob. As you can see that kinky texture, and it has layers as well. And this is Indian hair that they use to get this kind of kinky texture. It's also HD lace front that we're working with, and it's a 13 by 4. Okay, so it's just standard in terms of the depth. Inside the cap look like this, pretty standard. It has a total of 4 combs inside for security, and then they added that elastic band so you could get more security. It's branded 𝙂𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙪 as well, and the lace is customized. It's pre-bleached, and also the hairline is already pre-plucked. This looks like the perfect wig that can be glueless, and we're gonna test it out. So yeah, in back also has adjustable straps, so you could tighten it or loosen it to your liking. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this piece of lace. But yeah, it's a natural 1B color, as you can see. I'm so excited to go ahead and try this on. You see they give it a little bump at the end. It has a nice little blunt cut vibe going. Yeah, so that's all that is. Now that I got into that, let's go ahead and install this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the elastic band to slip it on. Usually that band on the inside that I just used to slip the wig on is what really helps to keep the wig snug to your head, and also a part of the wig that enables it to be like glueless. So if you don't wish to be like applying any adhesive right across the hairline, you don't have to. And I can tell you that this wig, definitely I am gonna give it a nice glueless install today. You see how perfect they customized this in the front, guys, and it's nicely layered. I'm gonna definitely give it a nice run through with my flat iron, but this is nicely layered. Love that. Alright, yeah, you guys know the drill, right? So usually this part is so easy to lift. It doesn't stay snugged like for the most part here in the mid portion. So I usually just take my got2b spray, and that's the only part I apply some adhesive to. So before I even do that, I'm gonna cut away the excess lace so you guys can see. And this lace is very nice and undetectable, like it's very nice and blendable. So you want to cut that as close as possible to the hairline, but be very careful when you're doing so you don't cut off like the hair. You see how nice that kind of camouflage into my natural skin tone? Yeah, it's a go. Love it. So it does have a little bit of cast, so usually you can get a little bit of your face powder to mute that down more, or you can use like a lace tint spray, which that's what I usually do. But sometimes I actually just do the powder too, because I mean, if you don't have a lace tint spray, the powder works just as good. I get the adhesive and spray that down. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my face powder, and that's what I'm gonna use to kind of like, you know, mute down the castiness.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
Once I tame this down with my flat iron, like go through it to get it nice and straighter, you guys will see the layers that the wig came with. I can see it right off the bat, like you can tell it's really nice and layered, so I really like that. So I'm just pretty much fixing the party. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna just take my time to go through it and really have it looking nice and laid, okay? Because we don't do bulky wigs, no. I feel like this wig is perfect for summertime too. Like, you know, when it comes down to summertime, bobs are always perfect. Like, it's always a go for sure. Like, give me a good bob, please. Please. I'm good to go. So I'm just going throughout the top here with my wax stick, just so I can get it as flat as possible.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath.
What I want to do is just run through the wig with my flat iron and get it nice and, you know, straighter than what it is actually. And yeah, so let's go ahead and just speed through that.
Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
This is it. The hair is so, it's like a nice flowy kinky straight vibe. Like it's really flat, it's flatter now, but it's, you can still show off that nice kinky texture. You know, it's like I just kind of refined it a little bit more. And look, perfect. The layers and everything looks so good on this wig. You see that nice blunt vibe? No, this wig is literally so flawless. And you know, honestly, I'm not surprised. 𝙂𝐻 always has like great quality wigs. Like, look at that cut. Look at that cut. And very minimal shedding, guys. Very minimal shedding. The layering, everything is done to perfection. The plucked hairline looks so natural, no baby hairs needed. Like, the lace was easy to work with, super easy to melt down, and looks so realistic. This wig is 100% beginners friendly, okay? You really don't need any experience to go ahead and finesse this on your own. You don't need no salon, okay? Yeah, the wig is a 10, and I need to just shout out to 𝙂𝐻 here for this gorgeous, minimalistic, realistic look today. It's perfect for the summertime. You don't have to spend a whole bunch of time trying to get it super like nice and straight as well. Like, it's already, like, it's easy to straighten. Don't think because it's kinky straight it's harder. No, it was really quick to run through this and straighten it with my flat iron and just, you know, refine the look. So I'm so pleased. And as usual, guys, I'm going to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, so I want you guys to go ahead and definitely check it out. Also, the specifications will be listed down below. So yeah, that's all you need to know. This is today's wig video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.